Welcome to Digital Medicine MSK and our short video about the muscles of the shoulder. Have you ever contemplated the significance of your shoulder muscles in performing everyday activities? From hoisting items to reaching out for something placed high, these muscles are irreplaceable. The secret behind their efficiency, it's the cooperative interaction between two types of muscles, the stabilizing muscles and the effector muscles. Let's examine them in more depth, paying particular attention to the stabilizing muscles, also known as the rotator cuff. Think of your shoulder muscles as a well-coordinated team, with each member having a distinct role. The stabilizing muscles, somewhat of unsung heroes, function as the defenders in this team. These muscles are relatively small and their tendons insert closely into the fibrous capsule of the shoulder joint. The key players here are the rotator cuff muscles, the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. Unlike muscles causing significant movement, the rotator cuff's primary function is maintaining the humeral head in the glenoid fossa, thus ensuring stability. They work together with their tendons blending intimately with one and the capsule, allowing for a wide range of movements. The long head of the biceps even functions as part of the rotator cuff, as its tension helps compress the humeral head into the glenoid. Apart from their primary function of rotating the humerus with respect to the scapula, they also compress the humeral head into the glenoid fossa and provide muscular balance. This balance is primarily achieved through eccentric contraction of the muscle, a topic we delve into later in our online chapter on excessive range of movement, instability of the shoulder. On the flip side, the effector muscles, namely the deltoid complex, the pectoralis major, the latissimus dorsi, and the teres major, play the role of the strikers, the powerhouses of the team. They are large muscles with tendon insertions at a greater from the joint, enabling them to produce powerful movements. Unlike the stabilizing muscles, they are not primarily involved in stabilization but are the driving force behind the movements we make. Interestingly, while both muscle groups are vital, most shoulder injuries are related to the rotator cuff, the stabilizing muscles. This is because injuries to the large effector muscles are incredibly rare. Rotator cuff disorders, on the other hand, are quite common and can severely affect health across all age groups. These disorders, often due to overuse or a sudden injury, can lead to symptoms like pain, weakness, and difficulty in moving the shoulder, especially when lifting objects or reaching overhead. The most common injuries include rotator cuff tears, tendinitis, and bursitis. Each of these conditions can significantly impact an individual's daily life, making an understanding of the rotator cuff and its functions crucial to maintaining shoulder health. To conclude, our shoulder muscles, a complex and impressive system, include both stabilizing muscles, which provide stability and balance, and effector muscles, which enable powerful movements. Even though they have distinct roles, they cooperate perfectly, showcasing the impressive design of human anatomy. The spotlight, however, needs to be cast on the stabilizing muscles, also known as the rotator cuff. These might be smaller but play a crucial role in shoulder health. It is important to note that the rotator cuff is more susceptible to injuries than its counterparts, underlining the vital need to prioritize our shoulder health, especially focusing on rotator cuff. This intricate balance of elements contributes to the extraordinary functionality of our shoulders. Dig deeper with us here at Digital Medicine MSK to learn more about shoulder anatomy, physiology, and disorders, with a special emphasis on the role and care of the rotator cuff.